Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to discuss what I do in my weekly skincare routine. It is so important to add natural products in your skincare क्योंकि ये natural products हैं, आपको कहीं बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इजीली घर पर अवेलेबल है और सबसे बड़ी बात आपको स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि इनसे आपको कोई एलर्जी हो जाएगी, कोई इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. आई विल रिकमेंड यू टू ऐड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इन योर स्किन केयर क्योंकि इससे आपको काफ़ी हेल्दी एंड ग्लोइंग स्किन मिलती है. Before starting this video, I am going to introduce you with MYFITNESS peanut butter. This video is in collaboration with this brand name called MYFITNESS. This is the India's first peanut butter with 95% less oil separation. And this peanut butter works as an energy booster. It has 0% cholesterol trans fat. That means it is good for the diabetic person as well. It has rich protein, vitamin and minerals. Also, it helps in weight management. Here this scanner code is given. You can scan this code and check the reliability of the product. Also it is certified by USA Federation and ISO. I will give link of this product in the description box. Now I will show the texture of the product. So this is the chocolate one. You can see how smooth it is and it tastes so amazing. Let's unpack the peanut butter box from MYFITNESS. As all of you can see that they have done a thoughtful and damage-free packaging. Also, you don't need to worry about in-transit damage as well. Let's move forward to my skincare routine. First step is to take cold raw milk and ball, dip a cotton ball in it and apply that gently on your face. Let it dry for 5 to 7 minutes. Raw milk works as a natural cleanser as it helps to remove dirt and dead cells from the skin. Milk doesn't clog pores, so you don't need to worry about breaking out in blackheads as well. Next step is steaming. Steaming is very important in a week or two as it opens up pores and deep cleans your skin. After steaming, it is so important to apply a face mask as it helps to settle down your open pores. Here I am making a paste using besan, honey, haldi and curd. All these ingredients helps to get glowing and healthy skin. Leave this paste on your face for 20 minutes and let it dry. While washing, rub this paste on your face in circular direction and rub it gently as it works as an exfoliator और इससे आपके फेशियल हेयर भी काफ़ी हद तक कम हो जाते हैं. Last step is to massage your face. You have to take some fresh aloe vera pulp and drops of oil from a vitamin E capsule. Leave it overnight on your face as it helps to brighten your dull and tired skin. आई होप आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय एंड टेक केयर.